accusing me of doing something wrong, eh? I fell by the sinner.
Just sit down and fall asking your question until the Bible says you must be obedient to your parents.
Oh, you was talking some Bible thing, Bible all the time, so?
You just use the word of Yahweh to correct yourself and become like them children in the world.
I don't want to hear no more Bible, no?
Someone really need to do something about that girl. The devil trying to take you away from you, boy.
Don't worry, girl, don't worry. You do some praying and fasting until Yahweh show you what to do with she.
Ria, what is this thing I hear about you not listening and being disrespectful to mommy and daddy here?
Girl, mommy and daddy always on my case. Everything I do is a problem, mother. Always come with the Bible.
Well, it's the Bible they have to tell you, girl, to keep you on the right path.
You come with this Bible thing too? I done, yes?
You're still gonna continue with this thing?
Why you always have to mind your business too? My friends are not all day. You only studying Bible thing. He's not friends with you?
Good night, Miss Leah.
Good night.
Why don't this trouble I hear about your sister come and tell me you given some trouble. You went to school and you following them children all day.
And
I've
so,
abandoned her. So, you know what, I fell apart as rebellious in this and right now you get some mixed. You get some mixed. Take it.
ow!
Take it.
Ow! I'm sorry, Daddy. I won't do it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sure I won't do it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And you will listen from now on?
Yes, I'll listen.
Leah? Yes, sir, I do. How going on? Well, going to read the new one I have. You forget the place I tell you about our what place? The party, girl.
I'm coming that party again.
Why?
Because I get the rod and I'm going to obey my parents now. I'm even supposed to have friends out there. You know friendship with the world is enmity with Yahweh, right?
All that Bible talk. I went to all that, you know, and I read all them scriptures, you know. But anyways, I go in.
Alright. Ephesians 6:1-3. Children, obey your parents in Yahweh, for this is right. Honor your father and your mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with you and you may live long on earth. We are from YahwehTrueWorshippers Assembly and we hope you enjoy this video. Shalom.